Great advice to help you generate good leads. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. To generate the most promising leads for your business, your website needs very clear instructions for the visitor. Make your offer stand out from all other content on the page and make sure it's easy to understand. The visitor should have no problem identifying your offer and knowing how to get in on it quickly. Incentives can give you some great leads. For instance, an incentive to purchase something one is already going to buy is very attractive. They need extra reasons to take the offer so you can generate more leads. Look to affiliate marketing to generate leads and even customers. Why do all the work for leads when you can have others do it for you on commission? Affiliate programs are a very effective way of introducing your product to new audiences. In fact, you'll see a lot of content created around your product or service. That's very effective. Survey your current customers about where they typically congregate online. To generate quality leads, you need to understand where your audience hangs out. Once you know, get involved in that community any way you can. That may mean advertising or it may mean becoming a thought leader in the community. Use customized quality content to generate more leads for you. If a person stays on a page to read what you've written, you're already one step ahead of the game. When people discover value and get the help they need from content, trust usually ensues. This often translates into more sales and sign-ups. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.